Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you some super useful YouTube Music keyboard shortcuts that let you move around the platform much faster. These shortcuts are perfect for people who want to browse YouTube Music quickly without using their mouse all the time. Now first, make sure YouTube Music is open in your browser. Now these shortcuts work by pressing two keys one after another quickly. To go back to the home page, press G, then H. To jump directly to your library, press G, then L. And if you want to open settings, press G, then comma. As you can see, YouTube Music instantly takes you to those sections without needing to click through menus. These shortcuts are a fast and easy way to navigate YouTube Music like a pro. And that's it. Thanks for watching.